This video is going to explain to you how a user can upload any expiry information detail, expiry document information detail. So click on personal module and click on employee expiry document. In this screen, if the user want to update one by one, they should be able to select the employee ID, click on search, and from here they can update manually. Passport number, issue date, expiry date, and just click on save. And there is an option, if you want to do a bulk upload, user can do a bulk upload from the screen. So here you can see there is a download sample template. Just click on download template and click on open. This will open an Excel template. So this is a sample doc format. This is employee ID. For example, if the employee ID is 0050, so you can just type this employee ID, and this is the document type. So which document you need to update, and passport number, and issue date, and expiry date. Okay, so here you can update all the employee informations like one by one, like next employee 0051. What is the passport number, expiry date, issue date, expiry date. Okay, so once if you update all the information, you can save this file any location. So I have already saved a sample file in my desktop. Okay, so if you want to do a bulk upload, you can just open the screen employee expiry document and you can click on browse. So I have saved this file in the desktop. So this is a file name. I will choose the file name, click on open, then click on upload data. So you can see the message created, updated successfully. So if you want to check one employee, so that you can select the employee name from here. And click on search. So you can see this information is uploaded from Excel sheet. Issue date and expiry date. So this is the steps a user can upload expiry documents in a bulk. Thank you.